गोवा प्रो लिगांत तिसरे मॅचींत स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवाक जैत. चर्चिल ब्रदर्स FC आड 2 गोल मारून जिखले. फाल्यां गोवा पोलीस FC आनी पणजी फुटबॉलर्स हांचे मदीं मॅच.
Oh, hello and welcome everyone to the third match of the competition. That is Joel Colascio, Dheeraj Chauhan, Samuel Gregorio Costa, Doyle Alves, Rohan Rod gain the title. Whereas about Churchill brothers, they will likely play to call yesterday and they beat them 8 goals to 1. It was Lakshiman Rao Rane who scored 4 past his Vasco side, and before that was towards victory. But Geno Sports Club showed why they are present in the Goa Pro League. They scored in the final second, in the final moment of the game, at Vasco Sports Club. There is the third fixture, Sporting Club de Goa, the champions. So once again, introducing myself, I'm Atawaris Warsi, and I will be with you. Match number 3 at the Dilere Stadium of the Goa Pro League 2024-25, and it is the first start. Oh, poor pass, gives it to the forward, and this can be an opportunity for Churchill, and they have scored. Churchill brothers pounce on the mistake by the Sporting Club de Goa. And here is Churchill brothers, it slips down, and they're appealing for a free kick, and the referee says yes, it is going to be a loose ball, loose touch. And back again with Sporting Club de Goa. It was a well-timed tackle to get the ball off him. A slight tackle here, and it is going to be a free kick as well as a yellow card. And off we go. It is Sporting Club de Goa who commence and kick off the second half. It's a long ball forward. Oh, it's given away cheaply. This can be an opportunity. Oh, he goes down on the ground. Is that a de Goa? They are trying to attack in the first minute itself. A shot taken. It is deflected and off it goes to the left hand side to Kunal. Iswa has made the run inside, but Kunal delivers the cross inside, and it travels all the way in. And Sporting Club de Goa have got a scrappy goal. Here comes Kunal for Sporting Club de Goa. Kunal this time takes the shot. It is deflected and it goes inside. Deflected shot by Kunal gives the lead to Sporting Club de Goa. They have got a throw in, and it is a long one. He goes in the ground and he's still on the ground. Trying to dribble past his man, gives it into the middle. On to Selvin. Selvin can have a chance. Oh, it's saved.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.